Hey guys, so now we're gonna head over to Myeongdong from the Hoyeon station. It's just a one station stop. So I'm just checking in to show you guys a really beautiful Christmas decoration and wish you Merry Christmas in advance. Hey guys, so we're just gonna wait for the subway here at the Hoyeon Namdaemun Market Station. We're gonna go to Myeongdong. Sir and Varun sir and Shweta ma'am, his wife, are waiting for us there. We're gonna go to the Myeongdong Cathedral first, see the beautiful landscape that it beholds, and then we will try to explore the market area. And there are pretty decorations all around Myeongdong in different areas, different markets for Christmas. So I hope I am able to capture the beautiful sceneries there as well. I hope it does not get much cold, but since it's gonna be snowing, yes, tomorrow. Yeah, it's predicted to start snowing tomorrow in the early morning. So I'm not sure if it will be less cold or not. It will be cold. So let's see how it goes, and till then, catch up. Okay, so we are at the Myeongdong station now and we are walking towards the Myeongdong Cathedral. So let me introduce to you Varun sir. Hello sir.
Hi.
तो ये वरुण सर है एंड ये है उनकी वाइफ श्वेता मैम. हेलो मैम. सो कैसा लग रहा है आपको Myeongdong अभी तक?
great. It took around 1 hour, but we feel कि it was worthwhile.
Okay sir, so let's head over to the Myeongdong Cathedral and
Yes.
let me show you the streets I promised you yesterday. बहुत लंबी फेंक के आया हूँ मैं सर के घर पे कि बहुत अच्छी चीज़ें दिखाऊंगा. But it's still my first time as well visiting here, as you guys know. So let's see if we can actually make a great evening out of this. So let's head over to the Myeongdong Cathedral now. See ya. Okay guys, so we have entered the underground tunnel here towards the Myeongdong Cathedral. There is given the directions about where the cathedral is. So we're just gonna head over towards this side and I will reveal the beautiful area and the beautiful Christmas decorations of the cathedral to you now. Just let me zoom in and show you the view. It's really amazing, it's really peaceful. There is mellow melody here going on. There is a statue, there is a cutout of the Pope, and there is a Christmas store here as well. And so I will just switch the camera and have a visit around this. Just look at the beautiful view. Okay, so that's the celebration. I think that they are portraying the birth of baby Jesus there, and whoo, it's pretty amazing. We are heading towards the upper floor, towards the Myeongdong Cathedral now, and this is a really peaceful, very quiet decoration here. It was really amazing, and the security guard downstairs asked me where I am from, and he showed me the way towards the Myeongdong Cathedral. I was a bit confused, and so Kashish, I think we should go now. Okay. So just okay. Yeah. So how did you like the underground park?
Beautiful, so beautiful.
Beautiful, so beautiful. Okay, so here we are towards the Myeongdong Cathedral, and kaboom! Say hi. Okay, so let me ask my companions how they like the place. So sir and ma'am, what do you think of the place now? What?
It was classy.
It was classy. Was sir abhi to yahi hai. It's present. Let's enjoy. Let's head towards the cathedral and pray a little.
Hello.
Hello ma'am. So आप हमें एक क्रिसमस सॉन्ग सुनाने वाले थे भेड़ बकरियों से रिलेटेड. प्लीज इरशाद.
यीशु मेरा चरवाहा, मैं गीत उसके गाता हूँ. आगे उसकी भीड़ उसके पीछे आता हूँ।
वाह, तालियां। थैंक यू सो मच मैम, आपने हमारी क्रिसमस बना दिया, आपने हमारी विजिट यहाँ पे पूरी करा दी है। एंड दिस इज द म्योंगडोंग कैथेड्रल एंड मैम हैज़ really sang a really beautiful song for us. I hope you guys liked it, and do share in the comment section what you think of this place. Like, I am literally in awe of this place right now. It's so beautiful, it's so peaceful, and I can't get enough of this. Really. I really feel blessed to be here. I'm just gonna go around and show you the place from here. It's golden hour right now. The light is really amazing. I love it. You can see the view, the area, it's really majestic. I'm running out of adjectives right now. I think I need to follow Mr. Beast and read the dictionary in one go again, so that I can get more adjectives to explain places like this, because it really is overwhelming right now to be here. I'm so blessed. I really can't emphasize on it enough. So you can see it's really amazing lighting right now. It's really giving out the popping of the colors. I'm loving it. We are at the back side of the church right now, and what do you think we will have here? Oh, okay, so I think there is a statue of let me get closer and see who the statue of is, because I really don't want to get it wrong. It's Ave Maria Gratia Plana. Yeah, that's what it's written on the statues. So and there is even this dome shaped structure here as well. It's really amazing again. Lighting is really majestic. So blessed to be here. People are, I think this is a praying mantle. People play here and leave the flowers. Wow, I just want to stay here and soak it in. I hope you do too. Okay, so I snapped some pictures here as well, and ma'am and sir are coming from the opposite direction. Okay sir, it's glad to know that you are enjoying. So now I think I came here from the anti-clockwise direction, but it's really overwhelming, really overwhelming to be here. It's really peaceful here. I love it. I think I might make this an annual visit, maybe, yeah, so that I can be visiting here more often. I love it. I hope, I wish it was possible to, visit the inside of the church, pray, and connect to God. But still, it's okay. So pretty much that's it from this side, and now we're gonna head towards the downside. There are LED flowers stuck there in the garden. Okay, so now we're here within the flowers, some beautiful flowers. So I'm gonna go from the stairs here. And if now I sit here, let me see. Ooh. Oops. Yeah, so I am here surrounded by LED flowers around me. I feel amazing. Just waiting for the night so that these flowers turn on the LED and it becomes beautiful. Isn't it beautiful? Right? 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 Oh my god, just look. I think it's a selfie time right now. Okay. So now we'll be due to this place and move forward towards the Myeongdong shopping street, and let's see what we find there, what activities we can do there. So I'll update you guys with that. This is a cute little shop playing Christmas songs, so colorful, and it's almost time for sunset now, and we've entered the Myeongdong shopping street. If you don't know about the speciality of the shopping street is that it is a wide variety holding place. There are many branded showrooms here, many Korean products to be bought from here, and this particular area of Seoul is really famous for its shopping and the variety of street food it offers. So I can see some food stalls in the distance there, so I hope we can gather some delicious food there. And sir, we have come to the food stalls. There is one. What it is? I don't know. Egg bread, sir. Egg bread. Okay, we don't want it. Let's move forward. Tteokbokki. Have you tried tteokbokki yet?
No.
It's tteokbokki is rice cakes in spicy gravy, and it's one of the really specialities of Korea. So we can see here it's tteokbokki as well as hodok. Okay, so
But veg?
no, thanks, not veg. It's not veg. But overall,
Rice cake with gravy, I think that would be veg.
that is veg. But inside there's But inside there are some fish cakes as well. So
We have to confirm.
yeah. So I am really not sure about it. Okay, but
It's very different tree. Christmas tree very different.
yep, I think it's made of paper.
Only paper.
Yeah. You guys can see. So this is the Myeongdong Theatre behind this. Myeongdong Theatre. Okay. So I can see the Lotte Young Plaza there. So that is the place where we saw those Christmas decoration lights I told about you yesterday. So we guys will head there, have some fun, and see if we can find some good street food to eat as well. So the sun has set, all the remaining light is being covered by these tall buildings, and I was busy capturing the time lapse. You guys just saw of the busy streets. You know, people were rushing around. Not really. So okay. So sir, how do you like the Christmas decorations around here?
I haven't seen this type of decoration elsewhere.
Okay. So let's have a rotating shot and see the trees. Okay. As you can see, all the trees here are decorated, and it's pretty amazing. You can't say that it is not nighttime apart from the lights being on. So now we're gonna head towards the Lotte Young Plaza. We shopped at the top 10 sale, and it was pretty amazing. I bought a sweater and a hoodie, and I like it. So now I'll update you with the decorations at the Lotte Plaza. See you there. Okay, so this is Myeongdong decorated for Christmas. far as the eye can see, there are decorations. And I have a light fountain there in the distance. Wow. That light fountain. Okay, so here we are having some pancakes. There you go. Okay, so I think these are honey filled pancakes. We're trying some, experimenting with some good street food. Okay, so wow. Kamsahamnida. Okay, so these are for holding.
Thank you.
Kamsahamnida. So, in search of going for the long scoop ice creams, we have found the waffles.
Pancakes.
Pancakes.
So,
So, is it delicious, Kashish? You tried it? Honey filled?
yeah.
Okay. So, here we are trying the.
तू नहीं खाना?
इसमें दालचीनी है दालचीनी है दालचीनी बताना
Ma'am, at least have a bite.
Different.
Mm. The taste is good. Okay. So, Korean food approved. Thanks to this food stall, we're having some warm Korean food in front of the Shinsei duty free mall. Merry Christmas! Yeah, so we could not find the ice cream vendors anywhere. So now we are here back and towards the Lotte Young Plaza, and we're just gonna chase the decorations. My gimbal battery ran out, and now I have to shoot all the videos handheld. Let's see how the things go from here. Okay, so we are heading to the pretty decorations now, and I wish you all a Merry Christmas. Wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Okay, so yeah, and from here we head towards there, and from there we head back towards the cathedral and have some dinner, and then we head back home. Okay, Merry Christmas. And the decorations go on to eternity. So with these decorations, I saw something interesting as well. You guys know that there is a slogan, I Saul you, and there is I Tehran you, I Amsterdam you, I Tokyo you, I Tokyo you. But the most happy thing was to see I New Delhi you. Yeah. Okay, so now we're heading back towards the Myeongdong Cathedral. We'll see the night view there with the LED lights, and we are thinking of having Subway sandwich for dinner, and let's see how those LED lights come through. Mashike Mogusida. Okay, so this is the chicken satay. Korean fast food. There was a variety of sauces that you could try, and you just saw the roasting. Pretty epic. I'm gonna eat it now. Hey, so finally we've reached back towards the Myeongdong Cathedral to see those beautiful LED lights in action, and we've been shopping. And they beautiful. What? What? Wow. Okay, so we are done here clicking the pictures, exploring the view, and now it's feedback time. So, sir, ma'am, Kashish, how was your day today?
Well spent day. Thank you, Amitesh.
Okay, ma'am, आपका feedback?
Wow, the day was so much wonderful and thanks to Mitesh.
Mitesh, ma'am, Mitesh नहीं, Amitesh.
You were only Mitesh for me.
Okay, ma'am, okay. तो sir आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
The day was wonderful. We explored so many different things and so many in the evening. The entire panorama was very different. Everywhere we
Okay.
have lights in tree and buildings, so many big screens. So,
So,
it was
sir-
a very different
तो
location.
sir, क्या आप अगली जगह के लिए मुझे अपना गाइड बनाएंगे? Will I be the guide for your next place?
Yes,
of
yes,
course.
yes. He is
Okay.
a nice man.
Okay,
Try
so
to help.
all in
Very
all,
good photographer.
we guys enjoyed a lot. So it's goodbye from our side. Wish you a Merry Christmas. Bye bye. See you in the next one.
Annyeonghaseyo.
And if you like the video, please share, subscribe, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. Okay. So your support means a lot to me. And see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. Let's get rocking.